Alignment is within tolerance at station 420.
Confirming scanning sequence with step now.
Integrity check, okay. Confirmed.
The CMM data stream looks good from here.
Confirmed. The raw structure is stable for assembly.
The material exceeds safety margins, confirming it is cleared for Process A, fuselage joining, and Process B, wing integration.
The factory floor utilizes distinct pathways for material segregation.
Alignment check on station 4.
Confirmed. Reading holds within tolerance.
Calibration sequence complete on the forward section.
Midsection alignment confirmed. We have clearance for the automated joining sequence.
Integrating the distinctive nose cone, the automated drilling arms initiate the final structural bonding process.
In this drill assembly bay, the A320neo takes shape. To transform the raw barrel shape.
Scanning sequence complete.
Confirmation received. 0 defects on the seams.
Torque looks good on the upper row. How's the insulation fit?
Snug against the titanium, 0 gaps.
Wait for the arm to clear the bulkhead. Okay, feeding it through now.
Robotic tools install the structural baffles and ribs within the fuselage. These components are then precisely riveted into the aluminum.
Center wing box alignment check. Laser guidance active.
Confirmed alignment on grid 3. Proceeding with integration. Ensure the hydraulic line is secure before the pressure test.
Already checked. Moving to electrics now.
Torque sequence complete. All readings nominal. Confirmed. Retract the arm. Pylon installation sequence complete. Are the torque settings verified?
Confirmed. All readings are within tolerance.
We are aligned with the pylon. Secure the cart now.
Cart locked. Ready for hoisting. Process B complete.
Module 4, sliding in now. Make sure the harnesses are clear.
Secured. Connecting the flight controls. Stand by for the flash test. Power cycle initiated.
All systems nominal. The strobes are fully synchronized.
Final inspection on the flooring near row 15.
Looks good from here. Consistent texture achieved. Pre-stabilization confirmed. Cross-check complete. Systems nominal. Ready for ground test. All panels secured and surfaces checked.
Consistency is within tolerance.
Good. Final inspection complete. Process B signed off. Ensure the leading edge is completely sealed before we move the platform. The thermal sensors are covered and smooth. We are good to proceed.
Clear for taxi to the paint bay. Hold present speed. Roger that. Maintaining 2 knots.
Propulsion system performance is confirmed. All parameters are nominal for flight validation.
All systems clear on my end. Airworthiness confirmed.
Noted. We are clear for delivery. Here is the final documentation package, Captain. All system checks are complete.
Confirmed. We accept the handover. All parameters are nominal.
We proudly present the key to your new Airbus A320neo.
Thank you. We look forward to its service.
Excuse me, is this bin full?
No, plenty of space. Let me assist you.